What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am all up close and personal, like y'all's in my stuff. But yeah, so today I just decided that I'm going to recreate a couple of looks today. So I'm going to be recreating, this is my old phone. So I'm going to be recreating these, like a sunset cut crease type of thing with a wing liner and some lashes. I'm gonna put the picture in the clip. It's probably gonna be like right over here. Of course, y'all already know I only got one palette, so I'm gonna be using my Morphe 35b palette. Yeah, so I mean, all the colors are in here. Yeah, all the colors are in here that I need to recreate that look. And then for my second eyeshadow look, once I finish like the time lapse and everything, I'm gonna come back in and introduce the second picture for y'all. That other one I want to say is either oh wait, let me do my hair. There, sorry, I was tripping. But I want to say the second one is maybe like a purple halo eye, or it's just like a real natural cut crease. So we'll see when I get there. But yeah, I'm just gonna make this real short and sweet. So if y'all want to see the progress from, I took that in 2017, and that was my very first palette. So now I have like the brushes I need, the products I need, all that stuff, and the lashes. So hopefully y'all know y'all like the progress. Don't forget, I'm not an MUA. I don't do nobody else's makeup. So, but yeah, so I'm just going in with my Morphe palette, but I'm about to do my eyebrows really quick. So I'm probably gonna speed this whole process up because y'all seen me do my eyebrows plenty of times. But I'm just going in with my regular Shot Miss A eyebrow pencil, and yeah.
All right, so my eyebrows are on, and I'm just going in with that red color, and I'm just going to pack that along my eyeball sockets, and I'm just going to pack it until I get it all the way around the socket and as bright as I want it. And then once I got it as bright as I want it, I'm going to go in on a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to go in with some of the same color product, but I'm just going to brighten up that color as well. And then before I get it to where I feel like it's, bright enough, I'm going to go in with a clean brush, and I'm just going to blend it out once I get that red shade to, where I want it. And just going really around those edges because I do want this color to be bright, just because of that sunset did have that, just because that sunset did have, that red in that back. So I'm just going back in with that other brush I just used to pack that color back on and blend it at the same time. So once I get it to where I want it, I'm just going to go in with my Maybelline concealer in 5 and cut that crease. And I winged it out a little bit, but I fixed it. I think I cut that part out. So here I'm just setting that concealer with a little eyeshadow, and I'm just going in, packing on that yellow, that orange, onto my lids, before I, of course, go in with my wing. Yes, I did a wing, and let me tell you how hard it was because I was out of black eyeliner, so I had to make it shake. That's why you don't see that. Ooh, subscribe. But yeah, so finished the first eye, just cleaned it up a little bit, and yeah, I didn't smoke out my bottom lash line because I had to do my face first. So yeah, but that's pretty much it with this first one. I threw on my lashes off camera, and then I added some highlight to my brown bone and my inner corner.
Okay, so this is this is like the recreated, the before. Oh wait, let me finish smoking. Sorry, let me smoke on my bottom lash line first. Okay, so I'm just gonna go on to the second eyeshadow look. I'm kind of torn, not gonna lie to you. It's really just a natural eye with a cut crease. So I'm about to do that really quick. I don't think I have a wing. Let me look.
Okay, so now I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution, the Resurrection palette, and I'm just going in with one of those like reddish brown shades, just so I can, start off this this natural cut crease. So it didn't really take too much to do. I just blended that out until I got it as dark as I wanted, which I didn't really want it that dark, and I just cut that crease, and I didn't cut it all the way through my eyelid. So once I cut that crease to where I wanted it, I just went back in with that same brush that I used for this brown shade, I guess. So I set my, of course, with the same, brush from the last one, but then I just went in, and so I didn't have any harsh lines on that corner right there. So I'm just going in with that. Then I go in with my Estee Lauder, one of my little small palettes that they sent me. I used that dark brown to like smoke out that corner, and then I just blended that in, of course. So this look was very easy. Very easy. I just took my time, make sure that it was all the way blended, because of course you don't want it to be patchy, like the transition between the colors. So then I go in, you can't really tell, but I just go in with like a light eyeshadow and set that, throw my lashes on, and then I go straight into my makeup look. So I know this isn't a makeup tutorial, but I showed it anyway. So of course I'm going in with my NYX Total coverage foundation, total whatever. I go in with that, of course, and I put a lot this time. I think that's the difference that I've done with this eyeshadow. I mean, with my makeup looks, I put a lot of foundation this time with that droplets. Of course, I'm going in, contouring and highlighting my face, and I'm just gonna blend that out to my likings. And don't be afraid to go into your baby hair or your adult edges. I did that on this video, and I definitely seen the difference. So once I blended that out, and I go back in with my contour brush, just to make sure that everything blended into each other, then I just went in and set my face. Gotta set my face. So once I finished setting my face, I just went in with my bronzer that I got from Miss A, and it was in Hot Cocoa. So I just bronzed my face, of course, everywhere that I contoured, so I can set that contour. And then I went in with my setting powder. Yeah, I got this from Miss A as well, and I only use this to chisel my cheeks. It just fits perfectly right there. So I'm about to go in and chisel my cheeks out really quick, and then I'm going in with my blush, and I got this from Juvia's place, I believe. Yes, and I used that orangish color, but y'all know I went in with my AOA once I was finished. Indeed. So after I finished with that blush and I wiped that away, I'm just going in with my favorite brown lip pencil. I got this from AOA as well, or Shop Miss A, and it was $1. And then I go in with my NYX lip gloss. I want to say this is the butter gloss maybe. And then I just go on top of that with some, clear lip gloss as well. And so then once I finished with that lip, I cleaned my hand because I had all that powder on it and just kept getting in my hair. I'm going to highlight my cheeks, my nose, my forehead, my cupid's bow, and my chin. And then I'm going to go in with that yellow, orange, and that red for the eyeshadow and smoke at that bottom lash line. And then, of course, I'm going to repeat and do the other eye with just a regular brown that I used for my eyeshadow. And so once I finish both of those and have both of those blended to perfection, or to how I wanted it, I just go in with some mascara and put that on my my bottom lashes. And so once I finished the mascara with my bottom eyelashes, I'm just going to set my face. And y'all, after I set my face, I was like, wait, why is only one brow like popping? So I had to go in with my highlight and put that highlight on my brow bone in the inner corner. And yeah.
And I'm finally finished. Okay, y'all, so this is this final look. So this is the first eye, and I'm gonna insert the picture of what it looked like back in 2015 with my first eyeshadow palette. And then this is the second eye. Of course, this is like a cut crease, but I got a picture of how I did my little sister's makeup in 2017. So this is the finished look. I hope y'all liked it. Of course, I'm gonna have all of the products in the description box. I know I've been kind of tripping on it, but I'm prepared today to like give y'all the little, you know, the stuff. But yeah, so I like how both eyeshadow looks came out, of course, because if I didn't, I definitely wouldn't post it. But yeah, like this whole look, like if I wanted to do this way, we could step out, and if I wanted to do this way, we can step out, like definitely. So yeah, but this is the end of this video. Yeah, so if you like to go ahead and leave a nice comment down in the comment section, and then go ahead and click the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and yeah, so that's it. Bye.